Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while. Before you go ahead and watch this, please forgive me because about anything wrong in this video, anything that looks really crappy. I know nothing's supposed to be looking really perfect anyways, but yeah, I haven't been doing any videos in a while, so this is gonna be quite a challenge for me. Okay, so anyways, today I created this gorgeous look for you. So if you want to see me create this look, this beautiful metallic liner look, I don't know what to call it, but that's the one way I can describe it. Right, if you want to watch me create this look, stay tuned and keep watching. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start this look. So before I go ahead and do that, we are going to start out with our base. It's our foundation and contour and all that. Yeah, I'm gonna just skip, like, fast forward this section because you've seen me do this so many times and nothing has changed very much. So alright, let's just do this, right? Okay, so basically we're gonna leave that like that so we can bake the face. So next on, moving on with the eyes. So always prime your eyes with an eyeshadow primer. The one I've been using most religiously is the Urban Decay primer, eye primer lotion, potion, sorry. eyeshadow primer potion in the shade Original. So for this look, I'm going to be using two different palettes today. To create that matte finish, I'm going to use the very dirty Jaclynn Hill, Morphe Jaclynn Hill palette. This is one of my favorite palettes to use, especially if we're creating a nice matte base, because there's a lot of matte colors in there. So yeah. So the second palette I'm going to use is my next fave, which is the GlamX Mulberry palette. This palette has a lot of shimmer shades in them. It's so good. Look at that. Woo. Okay, so we're gonna use this two to basically create this awesome copper metallic look. So the first shade that we're gonna use is this, this shade right here. Right here, okay. That's the one we're gonna use as our base today. Oh my god, I think I have fur in my eye. What the hell? So next, using a bigger brush, we're suddenly gonna create more depth into that look. So I'm gonna use these two colors right here, this and this. These two, okay? So next we're gonna go ahead with a darker shade just to give it a bit more of a smoky effect. So we're gonna use this shade right here, all around the crease. Next we're gonna go in with our Naked Skin Concealer once again, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and create a cut crease. So going in with that, I'm gonna use this really gorgeous copper color. I died, it's so pretty. So we're gonna go ahead with this shade right here. So this one, which looks just like that. Ooh, gorgeous. So going in with a flat brush. Mix just a little mix of this red here, just at the border of where the glitter crease is, or the metallic crease is, just to blend out that edge just a little bit more. Now using a smaller brush, we're gonna do the lower lash line now with all the same colors that we use as our matte base. Alright guys, so I went ahead and cleared the edges of, clean the edges of my eyeshadow, so it's easier for us to go ahead and put on our eyeliner. So for our eyeliner today, I'm going to go ahead with the NYX matte liner. This is in the shade Noir, Black Noir, yeah. So we're going to draw this on the first inner half first, okay? Only the inner half. We're not going to go overboard, okay? Let's use the inner half first. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the wing. We have to be really careful when you do this, because I suck at this. So let's just try this out. I don't know. Alright, so now that we've done both sides, okay, now we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the Morphe, what is this? Hold on. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Morphe glitter metallic eyeshadow. This is in the shade Copper. Using the Morphe eyeliner brush right there just to fill that in. Wish me luck. Alright, so now that we got something that looks like that, we're gonna go ahead with our lashes. So for the lashes, I'm using the BadGal Bang Benefit Mascara. I'm using the Pop Lash Falsies. This is in the code Wifey. So this one looks like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on and I'll be right back. Guys, so I just went ahead and completed my face. So I went ahead with a bronzer, I went ahead with a blusher. So the last thing on the piece of the puzzle right now is for the face is a highlighter. Okay, so for our highlighter today, I'm going in with something new. This is the GlamXCosmetics new release highlighter. So this is what it is. Now this is in the shade Malibu. So let me just quickly show you what that's like. So this is that gorgeous shimmer. Ooh! This is the Sun-Kissed Goddess Glow highlighter, okay? So this lightweight powder that transforms your complexion with luminescent shimmer. I cannot wait to try this out. Now this product is very new and it feels very solid. I really like the packaging and it actually feels like there's a lot in there. Like there's a lot of highlighter in there. Come on guys. Okay, there's about 8.5 grams worth of product in there. And let's see how that swatches. Ooh, so let's show you what that sort of looks like right there. Nice, it has a nice glow. So I'm going to use my highlighter brush and we're going to go and dig into this product. So right there, generous amounts of them. Girl, tap it off. Ooh, GlamX, you ain't playing around, girl. Look at that. What? What? That's insane. This is amazing. This is so pretty. I mean, alright guys, so the finishing touch is the lips. So I'm contemplating what shade I should use, but I think I'm gonna go with the pinkish shade today. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Lingerie lipstick. This is in the shade Exotic. It's a very nice rosy pink shade. Alright guys, so that's it. That's the finished look. This is it. Like, I think it's super, I don't know, I think it's super chic. I really love this look. The eyeliner, the lip, every fucking thing down to the freaking highlighter. This is bomb. This is so bomb. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys loved this tutorial. So if you have not done so, do follow me on my Instagram page. And if you love this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this. Alright, now with GlamXCosmetics, this is coming out. This is a new product that's coming out. Please look out for them on GlamXCosmetics on their Instagram page. So don't forget to use my discount code ZGlamX.Talina. I'm gonna put that down on my caption below. You can get 10% off your purchase with free shipping from GlamXCosmetics, okay? Please don't miss out on that, all right? So yeah, thank you guys. I hope you guys see you next time. Bye.